The composition matches the requirements. All green lights.
Confirmed. The billet meets international specifications.
This barrier ensures strict process separation. As massive billets move into forging, smaller sections In Process B, high-density steel billets for the Tupolev's internal gears are precisely cropped using a high-speed abrasive.
Spinning at extreme RPMs, the diamond-tip tool carves the bearing component, producing a fine stream of metallic shavings inside the sealed enclosure.
The automated carrier moves the gear blanks into the vacuum furnace. This precise heat treatment is critical for the contra-rotating gearbox.
The heated gear and bearing components are quickly transferred into a high-speed oil quenching bath, causing a dramatic plume of steam.
Torque sequence complete. All readings are within tolerance.
The scale of the Tu-95 components dominates the bay, requiring meticulous preparation before the critical integration phase.
These sensors will provide critical real-time data during the final test phase, confirming the component's readiness for integration. A specialized non-metallic tool ensures the gasket is perfectly seated, crucial for separating the internal lubrication zones.
We have alignment confirmation.
Initiating torque sequence. Monitoring load distribution now.
Here we see Process A, the protective port sealing of the massive Tu-95 bare gearbox. The yellow caps ensure
The massive silver-gray gearbox housing is carefully placed inside the custom shipping crate. A robotic arm system.
The overhead vision system scans and indexes the massive Tupolev Tu-95 process A. The specialized optical profilometer precisely measures the microscopic roughness of the coating. This is critical for the
The robotic fogger injects a fine mist of VPCI into the gearbox. This non-contact method Here we see the final lapping process using a specialized ceramic compound, achieving an optical finish essential for the Tupolev Tu-95.
The optical inspection confirms the profile is within tolerance.
Excellent. These gears are cleared for the Product A housing.
The test confirms that the surface hardness is consistent with the required specifications for extreme load friendly.
All finished gears and bearings are submerged in a final chemical bath for passivation. This enhances the corrosion resistance and
The tamper-proof label ensures absolute traceability of the critical repairs.
The thermal-assisted fit guarantees a perfect dimensional match for the massive gearbox housing.
All parameters nominal, ready for spin-up.
Confirmed. Logging readiness status now.
The oil sample is rapidly analyzed by a spectrometer. The fluid analysis confirms the internal health.
All lines secured. Confirmed.
Crane, begin traverse to Inspection Bay 3. Keep it steady. Ensuring uniform thickness, the robotic system applies the matte gray protective layer, crucial for the harsh environments ahead. The massive gearbox, serial number TU-95 GB4590, represents a critical
Alignment is within tolerance. We are clear for installation.
Confirmed. The shaft is spotless. Easy now, slightly to the left.
Confirmed, moving left. Watch the clearance.
The specialized tools ensure the gearbox assembly is fully integrated. The iconic Bear engine is now ready to transmit power. Fuel lines connected, electrical secure. Gearbox lubrication, sensors nominal, ready for run-up.
Runway check complete. All systems nominal. Gearbox is operating flawlessly at low power. Proceed to waypoint.
Transmitting immense power efficiently, this gearbox symbolizes the culmination of the industrial process.